Hello and good day. Welcome to Grade 5 English class. I am Teacher Jake and I will help you in every step of the way. How are you today? Are you ready to discover new things and learning English? Great! Let's try to explore more the beauty of English.
Today, we are going to study about restating sentences and summarizing informations of various types. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to restate sentences heard in one's own words, summarize information from various text types. Let's begin. Restating an idea is saying it in other terms or words. A restatement uses different sentence formation. In restating ideas, do not change the word-for-word structure of the text. Instead, organize the thoughts and mind and come up in putting it together in your own words in a different way. Let's take a look at this example. This one is an original passage. As is stated in Animal Planet, the hippopotamus is the third largest land mammal, after elephants and rhinoceroses. It grows up to 16 feet long and 5 feet tall. An average female hippo can weigh around 1,400 kilograms, and the hippo male can weigh up to 4,500 kilograms, according to San Diego. Now, let's restate the passage in own words. Hippopotamus is the third largest land mammal, and rhinoceroses, as said by the Animal Planet. It can get bigger by 16 feet long and 5 feet tall. According to San Diego, a female hippo can normally weigh up to 1,400 kilograms compared to male hippo, which gain up to 4,500 kilograms. Let us know the strategies used in restating idea. First, start your first sentence in different point from that original text. In the example that's shown earlier, notice that we started by introducing the topic, hippopotamus, then followed by the supporting statements of the topic. The essential information is cited in a completely different manner. Number 2, use synonyms. Synonyms are words or phrases with the same meaning. In the example, observe the use of synonyms. We have gross, bigger, average, normal. You can also use a thesaurus as your reference in finding synonyms of a given word. However, don't overdo. The use of some of the same words as the original text is still acceptable. Number 3. Modify the sentence structure. For instance, if the sentence was originally in the active voice, change it to passive voice. An active voice is when a sentence is led by the subject, the thing doing the action. When the object, the thing receiving the action, leads the sentence, that sentence is written in the passive voice. Let's take a look at the given example. The original passage is, as stated in Animal Planet, the hippopotamus is the third largest land mammal after elephants and rhinoceroses. In the restated passage, hippopotamus is the third largest land mammal after elephants and rhinoceroses, as said by the Animal Planet. Number 4. Classify the information and have it in separate sentences. Although restated sentences will usually result in a word count about the same as the original text, you may try to consider the number of sentences to make the text different. In contrast, summarizing is a brief overview of an entire discussion or passages read. People often summarize to emphasize important points of certain text. When you summarize, too much detailed examples may be removed, for this will distract the readers from the most important information. So, those are 4 strategies that you can use in restating ideas. Now, it's your turn to answer our learning task. Directions. Restate the following sentences in own words. Write the answers on a paper or notebook. Number 1. The space shuttle has a robot arm. It helps move things into and out of the shuttle. It can also hold an astronaut who is working Mars rovers or robots. They drive around on the land. Let's reveal the answer. The space shuttle's robot arms help move things. It can also hold an astronaut who is working in space. Robots are Mars rovers. They drive around on the land. Number 2. 3 NASA rovers are on Mars. 2 of them are still working. Stardust was the first robot sent to a comet. It brought bits of the comeback to Earth in January 2006. And the answer is, Mars has 3 NASA rovers. 2 of them were still working. First robot that sent to the comet was Stardust. Brought bits of the comet back to Earth in January 2006. Number 3. In the past, robots had helped NASA explore. Today, they are still significant to NASA. And robots will be used to help return humans to the moon and to travel to Mars and beyond. And the answer is, NASA had helped by the robots in the past. Today, they are still significant. In the future, the human will use robots to help return to the moon, to the Mars, and beyond.
So how many of you were able to get an excellent score? Very good. So I hope that you learned something in restating and summarizing information of the various texts. Again, this is Teacher Jake at your service. See you next time. Bye!